Motor. So these GT3 motors are known for blowing. From the 2014 to the 2016 991.1, they blow up. I just did a launch control and it threw all.
Hit it with the rap back. Don't log me out, please.
Your physique isn't stuck because your arms are small. It's because your neck is missing in action. You grind chest, back, shoulders.
Go to my Discord, post this link in the Discord. Live trades. Gotta post in the Discord. It's the rap. Baby, you give it to me. Okay, so this is the week. I think this is the weekend where I gotta connect with all my students, and we gotta figure out a plan. Like I have one student named Brandon that I think it's time for him to switch to a challenge account, and I have another student that I would like to be on the challenge account as well. So we'll see. My idea for this trade is we retested these highs at, I would like to break the 800s. Break those 800s and retest those 810s, 811s. So I like that we tapped in close to the 900. We hit 797. Where's my other phone, bro? Smoking the little bit of greenery that I have left. Then has anyone been talking in chat? No, yes, maybe so. Anyone in chat? Like the video for the algorithm. Well, boys and girls, like it for the algorithm. So here, right now, we're waiting for this next 30-minute candle to open up above this key level, this range up here. Once we break, I would love to see us So we know that this is the key level on the 30-minute. So we need to break this key level and stay above this area in order to get back into these 800s. Market's open here in a couple seconds here, 30 seconds. Show some love on the stream, boys. Show some love on the stream. Show some love on the stream. Chat. Show some love. Show some love. Market's open in 10 seconds. Okay, so 30-minute open. It's trash. Trying to get this break above to these 900s. Man, thanking God every day for the blessings. Just trying to do better. So this trade we're up like almost like 10K, I believe. So I'm just trying to be patient here, waiting for these setups. You know, morning, 2 minutes into market open. I was hoping around now or between 8:45, get a push up, break these levels here to continue going higher. The fact that we broke these levels already after failing here, retest, 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 consolidation, consolidation, slight breakout, pull back, push up. That's what I'm kind of looking for on this hour, bro. We need to just fill this gap. Yeah, getting some volume here, chat. We're getting some volume. Nice. Some volume, baby. Getting some volume.
It's Friday. We're not trying to go out with a bad day. We've had a great week, guys. Let's keep it moving. Give him a second. What's time? He's setting it up. Chill. Chill.
Yeah, 1 second, guys. Hold on. I'm working on it. I'm going as fast as I can.
All right. Hold up. Wish me guys to read everything. We're just sometimes it takes a second. Guys, look at all these bids reloading, bro. That shit looks insane. I'm pissed. I'm not actually pissed. I have too much caffeine in me to be pissed. I never drink caffeine, guys. Yesterday was one, and yesterday I actually slept. Today I haven't slept one bit. I've been up for like over 24 hours at this point. Oh my god, this shit's bumping. Damn, that bounce off the 70s was so lit. I caught gold. Nice.
Nice.
Good to see you guys win.
Yeah, this thing is ripping off the open. There we go.
Now,
My
what
book
was that there? Okay, now we held at that 90 area again, where we held at in the pre-market, where we had a big buyer come in. The same thing pretty much just happened. I saw it happen because I was on the charts. You see that big buyer come in right there at the top, and price dumped all the way back down to the 70s. Now, realistically, I would like to see a real attempt at those 90s and potentially take this back down to. I would aim first for the 80s right now. Right now, we do have a little the 88s, 89s. So that would be nice if we got a pullback. Let's see. But there's a lot of volume in the market right now. This shit's moving, bro. Like, this shit is moving, guys. I had to get up, made money, but it was a struggle yesterday. I get you, bro. Just don't want to close. Why don't Nico? What was your entry? You're in at the 75s. I mean, bro, you're up 10 points. Well, you were up. What was your risk? How many points did you risk? Yeah, we did start in Cabo. You can't hear me. I'm such an idiot. Nico, what was your stops, bro? Yeah, but I get it. Yeah. Your entry was 75, but what was your stops?
What was my stop loss?
So you were up a 3.5. Like a 3.2.
Good buy and balance developing here. We just had a plus.
Big seller. Big seller came in and held that VPOC, that hash session VPOC already. Wow, this is. Ooh, look at that pop. Oh my god, these sharks.
Okay, yesterday we had a massive negative delta at 97. 97. It's only 10 points up from where we're at right now. Massive negative delta there. Also, we had a pop up from early yesterday morning. No, Wednesday. Holy fuck. Let me back up. Wednesday, we had a massive negative delta at 97. Yesterday, early morning, we popped up above that and failed. And then at about 4:30 a.m., we failed to get above that number.
Bro, using ICT? Head ass. I'm not using ICT. I'm in one of my homeboys' chats on Discord. Bro said using ICT. You're bugging, brother. Keep it simple, baby. Keep it simple. It just works. You always gotta keep it simple. If you don't keep it simple, it's not gonna work.
No, you're right back. I go back.
Selling coming here on the CBD. We've seen no follow through with these buyers at the 90s. Let's see a real attempt.
I could look for these shorts back down to this. First would be the 79s. But I have a key level as just 60s.
I can see the indicator, buddy. What indicator? Oh, this? Oh, no, this wasn't an indicator. I just use this sometimes to see where the lows of each session were or the highs. Those are the only reason why I use them. I just pop them up. But for the most part, I literally just trade naked. When I mark up my charts and everything else is just straight naked. Motherfucker. Try to get me with that bullshit. ICT. No, I'll never switch up.
Buyers failed here. Some trap buying at the top.
Bro over here trying to say I'm an ICT trader? No shot.
Big seller. Alright, I'm gonna take these. I got filled bait. Fuck. Good close. Better fill.
Waiting for some volume.
Alright guys, we're in this trade.
I would like us to tap back into those 90s, like 3,790. I tried understanding the volume flow. That's what's more complicated than ICT. I know how to use Bookmap. So if you know what Bookmap is, with that shows the heat map where buyers or sellers and the volume and stuff. I know how to use Bookmap. I can use Bookmap really well, but I don't rely on it. I use it as a like confluence when I'm trading. Like
By the way guys, stops are at the 92.
confirmations.
Give it a little bit more room.
Oh, my boy got into gold. I told him to get in gold when it was at like the 80s.
Gonna be those 78s where we have get past this deep one. Aggression, I'm pretty solid. I didn't go break even. I want to give this time just because it's so very early in the session.
We could break these
With solid state, so
87s here.
potentially first the 77s, which is our valued low, and then from there I'll probably look to take it all the way down to the 70s. But with this aggressive buying, hold up. If we don't see any selling come in right now, any aggressive selling, I might close this out for a small loss. I'd rather cut it, let price develop a little bit more. But yeah.
Bro, check silver. You should. Bro, I don't be trading silver, man. I don't trade silver. I don't trade the platinums. Bro, platinum. How we looking like on platty? Nice, good job. Let's look at silver. What's silver's future symbol?
Pre-market would definitely be a nice balance play back up, but these buyers are just pushing price up. So
Is it SL? What's the contract that we're on for silver?
90s. We just had a big offer get hit.
Is
over
it
here.
the SIL Z?
See, I would like
Or are
to
we
see
on the
but
V?
realistically at this point,
Are we an October contract or the December contract on it?
it's too high. I need to
Use the continuous contract. What do you do with your life? The continuous. Oh, nice move on silver. And I could also use this for the sessions called Sonar Labs, which it looks a lot cleaner if you can see, but it doesn't mark off the lows and highs. Oh, that's a nice little trend right there. Yeah. Oh, damn, it moves really fucking slow. Sheesh. Why it moves so slow?
Yeah, I know, yeah. That's why I'm not too stressed. Cut that loss early.
Low key, if I were to actually draw this, it'd be something like this. Sorry, I'm analyzing this chart right now.
hold some good buying stuff here.
Yeah, bro, what the fuck is this Schmitty?
This-
So realistically, if we were to look at the 4-hour chart, this is where, wow, this is all. I mean, I do see the setups. I do see the setups and how you could have entered as well. After we retested these lows and never broke past this range down here, you could have got it.
Play aggressive seller made an attempt. There we go. There's the aggressive seller. Wow. Look at the selling, guys.
Yeah.
Look at the buying come back in right there. Boom.
Like, you easily could have gotten this breakout off of a slight consolidation. Never broke past these lows. Could have entered off of here, or you could enter off the break. After the break on this side, there's probably a 30-minute candle break somewhere here. 30-minute. Let's look at the 15. Yeah, I mean, you could have easily got in probably here after we broken above this 15-minute range, which is also 30-minute range, which I would have seen that first on the 15-minute before I seen it on the 30-minute. So I would have taken that trade like probably somewhere there. Yeah, like here you could have entered in longs here, caught the move to these highs, or waited for the pullback, retested back into these lows, never broke past these 15-minute highs. Could have rolled this up. As long as he's a solid trade on silver, it's just fucking slow. It's just slow. Then you look at NQ and you're just like, shit. Then you look at shit like gold and you're like, fuck. So we're about to tap into those 90s again, which is what I was looking for.
I missed the longs, bro. The 84s, bro.
Decent opportunity there. Yeah.
Right now we're waiting on the next 30-minute candle to open, as well as the next hourly candle. I think those are gonna be important. We tap back into those 90s, which is awesome.
I was telling Chad, like 85s, because that gave my stops a little bit more room. I could have got in at the 88s, 87s, but my stops would have been increased and the RR would have.
Dude, this trade is, we got volume, guys. We're getting some volume. I would like these 5-minute candles to break these 95s, but we're back in the 90s, which is solid. Then if we bring out the ICT kill zone. Bitch, work. Where's the ICT kill zone not working? Does it only work on a certain time frame? But still. I swear like it worked on the 30-minute. There we go. Oh, it just takes time to load. So if we break these low of highs on London session, these are the low of, this is the lowest high of London session that we had on Thursday. And then we have another, then we have a lower, it should be a higher high, right? This is a higher high. Lower high, higher high. This is the previous high. We've broken these highs, broken these New York highs, probably breaking these London highs. So realistically, now I'm looking for us to get back into these highs right here. Yeah, if we can get back into 800s, my ultimate target is like the 810s, though. Damn.
Aggressive selling community. Yeah, it has, bro. It's crazy because that 70 move happened right at 9:30. So like it's like you're taking the trade as soon as you move. Yeah, bro. I probably just wait.
All right. Gotta be patient, guys, on this trade. Your boy need a smoke. I hit my bong. What the fuck?
Plus 250 delta at 97. Kind of hot. It looks like we will.
Now, with this being said, we're waiting on the next 30-minute candle to open up because we need to break these levels. These New York highs we have to break here. And as you see, we tapped in the zone. That's why these 805s would be my next zone. First target, second target, third target up here. And we just got to break these levels. Did you get a chance to watch some of the rest of the videos as well, or have been watching the videos? I was thinking to meet this weekend, so we're gonna talk about your progress and everything, and moving forward with finding how we look at the market. you have like a plan or strategy when you're trading? Have you taken any information from the videos that you've been watching? All right, guys, we're in those 91s now. I have water in this. I'm gonna dump it. I'm gonna dump this. Because we want new water. No, I dropped some green crumbs. I'm gonna go see if I have any more doobies. Okay. That's good. And why don't you like the crumb? Okay, so it's 8:56. Currently waiting to see. We gotta break these 90s. Like these 90s are so important. Around these 80s and these 90s have to be broken. We need to break these 80s and 90s. Come on, break these 90s. Break these 90s. Fuck. I broke the 90s now. Now we're waiting for the next 30-minute candle to open, as well as the next hour candle. Remember I said I would like the candle to stay above this zone. So if the next 30 or hour can stay above this zone or wick below here, catch here, find some type of support to get that push up, I definitely do think we can hit that area. there's should probably let my cats out. Can Gotta clean their cages and shit. I said cages. Not their cages. I gotta clean their Bro, where's YouTube? You know what? Bro, what the fuck was that? What the fuck is that shit? Where is its Galaxy music, bro? If it's my cover, it sounds fucking. I ain't have no genre. We just going comedy song vlogs. Show me some banger. You're not even playing me bangers right now. You're not doing this. See, 5 of them, they haven't played me any bangers. Oh, Galaxy Music, man. They're OGs, OGs. Alright, guys. Solid, 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 solid. Don't like the song. Don't like it. I don't like any of these songs right now. Just passed the second eval. Let's fucking go, chat. One of my students just passed their second evaluation. Fucking fire. I'm just going off of the vibes, man. Come on, play me a banger. I want to play some old It's Galaxy music, bro. If we go back to the OG days of It's Galaxy music, they would play such bangers. Hopefully my boy got in his trade. So you passed your second eval. So how many funded accounts do you have right now? All right, guys. So this 15-minute has no bottom wick. We are seeing that we're trying to break above these 800s. If we can break above the 800s, honestly, I can definitely see us hitting these 810s. These are my current positions on just 10 micros. I'm up $2,700. So you see how much money can you make with just fucking micros? You see my entry here. Just micros, chat. Just fucking micros. Amen to that. All right. Got a solid move now. Let's see how this. Ooh, solid, nice solid 30-minute. Hour looks insane right now. I don't know if this will push any higher, but if we can tap this, delectable. This 5-minute opened up, tapping into those 800s now. I really want these to hit, boys. Oh shit. Okay, so these 812s. I'm looking for those 810s to be broken, but if we can hit those 812s, that'll be solid. I gotta work this out. Okay, so now I'm looking for us to tap those 805s. I realistically think this next 15-minute has to stay somewhere here for this new range, or the next 30-minute candle has to open somewhere in this new range, because this 30-minute here, unless this 30-minute just fucking flies, and this hour just flies, I don't see us getting higher than like 800 yet. We'll see. I'm so happy you passed your second eval, dude. Freaking insane.
Here, this McLaren.
Tapped in those 800s, Shaq. Can we tap those 805s? 805 is the next level. And then the reason why I'm targeting 812, because these are the previous highs here of the Asia and London session of Wednesday, where we fell off in the beginning. So targeting those highs right now would be amazing. Dude, what the actual fuck? Brother, we're still flying. And I'm live streaming too as well. And that's crazy. Insane. Let's see if this next 5-minute can hold. I want these 812s to be hit. 805 just got tapped. Bang. Bang. 805's got tapped, chat.
It's kind of funny how they keep blaming the markets or they keep blaming that the fund accounts are difficult. But in reality, they don't have a good system that works. You guys can see.
Imagine this car sitting.
Bang. All right, so waiting for those 812s to get tapped. We did hit those 805s, which is insane. So now we're going to see how this 15-minute candle reacts. And if this next 15 minutes is going to push us up to hit those 812s. Woo, boys. That's insane. So happy. So happy for my students, man. Today is a great day to trade gold. Okay, so now we're waiting to see how this next. Wow. So yeah, I want to see how this next 15-minute candle will react. Baby boy Benny. Hey Benny. Hi. Hi. Okay, go do your thing. Don't know if we can have beer on stream, but you know, chugging a little bit for the boys. Cheers. Cool to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Excelsior! Ah! Baby. What up, Benny boy? What's up, man? How are you? I love this cat, bro. Even though he gets on my nerves. Hey, buddy. He's a ruthless menace, he is. Was almost up 10K on this trade, guys. I think the true breakout happened now, and these aren't nowhere near New York highs. I personally think New York highs today will tap into these levels at least one time. So now we're waiting for this next 15-minute candle to open. I really hope my fucking best friend got in this trade on gold. Like, jeez. This next 15-minute just open. I'm expecting some type of pullback. If we don't get a pullback, we may get the push that we need to pass these 805s, maybe into the 808. This is insane, bro. This 5-minute is just pumping right now. Tons of volume coming in right now. Could break these 805s here. Did I just call that? We tapped the 805s. We tapped it again. I'm just looking for another 5 to 8 points. Come here, Benny. Come here, Benny. Hey, buddy. You can't have this. This is beer. You can drink some beer. I know what you want, nigga. It's too cold right now. You know how we're gonna move it out. What's up, broski? What's up, man? Yo, say what's up to chat.
Yo, hold on. Let me show you my screen. Yeah, hold on. Look, we came back.
Yeah!
Yo, bro, I'm so weak, bro.
I fucking told you, bro. Remember, I told you a lot can fucking happen. You don't. That's why I tell people, bro. You don't. If you have the skill set, bro, I'm telling you.
This was like a nasty entry, bro. This is a nasty. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro. Super simple, bro. I waited for. I've been doing higher time frame, bro.
I've been telling you, bro. Higher time frame is key.
6 a.m. candle, right? We run into this gap right here. We go over the gap. Watch this, bro, right? So I'm waiting for this to close at 10. Right here. 9:55, bro. We go in and we close under the gap. I'm like, bet. Shorts. 1 minute. What do? Boom. Wait for a gap to enter.
Holy crap, that's fucking sniper.
Sniper as fuck, bro. Look. Boom. Short here. 27-point stop or 24-point stop. And I close out at 43 for 62 points. Bro. Josh, it's been that fucking, bro.
Great killing it.
It's a bitch ass group that I'm in, bro.
I kept telling you, bro, stop trading in those groups. I've been telling you since day one, bro. Just trade what you trade, bro.
And look, bro. Keep this. It ran even more, bro.
Dude, fucking insane.
100 points.
Bro, look at my trade on fucking gold right now.
Shit. Bro, this shit's still running.
Bro, I caught gold at 3. Look at gold. I caught it at 3,771. That's my entry.
Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit. How much did you make today, bro?
Bro, I'm still in it.
Josh, shut the fuck. What are you floating, bro? I'm fucking watching 100%.
11 bands.
That's crazy, bro.
My target here. Yeah, I got it at 3,771.5.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Look what I had drawn out. I love what I had drawn out for entry.
Dude, holy crap. And those are 2 good solid entries. What's that second level for entry?
Dude, I think you can make. Yeah. No, this is an exit. But
Oh yeah, that would have been a W
I
trade,
think people can make a living off of trading the midnight open, bro. Look at this.
dude.
Every time price goes under it, bro. Look. Like, I swear, I think you can make a living off that shit, bro. Like, I think you could teach someone a strategy around midnight open. 100 times a day, bro. And they're baking, bro.
Bro, easy.
Yeah, dude, those shorts are cute. I didn't want to hold it, bro. You know what I need to work on though, for sure, Josh, is my targets, bro. Like, I don't really know when I should target further or closer. You know what I'm saying? Like,
So
especially with today's conditions, at the open, it was super.
what I do is I have multiple TPs. I typically have about 3 on average. I have 1 that's reasonable, 2, you know, if we get volume, and 3 is like, okay, like I got more than what I was expecting.
Yeah. But what if if I'm only on 1 mini, that's the issue. You know what I'm saying? When I'm on 1 mini,
Yeah.
that's what makes it tricky. But honestly, this one, I won't lie, and I'll be honest, it was a little bit like I got scared, so I exited a little early. But like my real target, which I'm not gonna lie, makes a lot more sense now. I erased it. Look, this 4-hour fair value gap right here is like a nice draw. Check it. Bow. What do? We came from it.
Retest. Tapped it.
Bro, this shit was like.
It's textbook. It's called textbook. That's why I keep.
The thing is, the idea coming into this was sweeping Asia London, tapping this 4-hour gap under midnight open, and then giving longs. Timestamp that right now.
Ooh. And that's why I say keeping it simple is always best. Keeping it simple is always best.
These motherfuckers be fading my entries, bro.
Bro.
Fading my entries. Like, maybe ignoring my.
Fuck those niggas, bro. I'm telling you. I've been telling you to. Bro, since the day I met you, bro, I told you, fuck those dudes.
Look at this shit. I'm gonna leave this here. 9:22 a.m., bro. Before market open, bro.
Bro, fuck them niggas.
Look at this. I said, I do see the move down, considering we ran up and rejected off of a 4-hour, only at the open, just to move down to midnight open, sweep of Asia and London for longs. What happened today, bro? Right at the open. Straight fucking down, bro, after the move up. And they were trying to catch longs, bro. This kid Thomas is trying to catch longs with prices in a fucking premium, bro. Like, it's already ran up 40 points, and Buddy's like, oh, I'm trying to catch the rest of this.
I'm closing, chat. I'm closing. Nigga! 11 bands closed, baby! Fuck. Bro, stop playing with a nigga.
This shit, bro. Get me up virtually, bro.
Chat, we're done. I'm done trading. I ain't gotta trade no more. The crazy thing is I only took this on 1 funded account. I didn't even copy the other 4. I would have been up like 66K or something like that. But hey, bro, I still made money and I'm gonna walk away. I'm done trading, bro. Friday was great. Chat, we done, brother. We done.
$100 a buffer, bro.
I'm telling you, bro.